Hello. In continuation with statistics, today we'll have to discuss about more than type ogive, less than type ogive, and with the help of ogive, how to find the median. Okay. So this is everything which is given in exercise 14.4. Taking exercise 14.4, 14.4. Question number 1 I am taking. Okay. Question is, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Okay. And this is a column. It's a column. Daily income, in rupees, number of workers, okay, 100 to 120, 120, 140, 140, 160, 160, 180, and 180, 200. Number of workers, FI, 12, 14, 8, 6, and 10. Okay. Total number of workers are given. Total 50 workers are there. Question is, convert the distribution over to less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. Convert into less than frequency distribution table. Less than frequency distribution table and draw its ogive. And draw its ogive. Okay. That means you are going to draw the less than type ogive. Actually, there are two types of ogives, less than type ogive and more than type ogive. So we are making a less than type ogive. Okay. We are converting this, we are making a frequency less than type ogive frequency distribution table first. Less than, which type of that? Less than type. So I write here less than, okay. Understand this, it is a logical thing. Daily income in rupees 100 to 120, 120, 140, and that. Less than. Now I am writing there less than in a column, less than. Okay. So if you have a choice that you are going to write here less than 100 or less than 120, then what will you opt? 100 or 120? It's a common sense thing. Less than 100, we don't have any data available here. So we have to put less than 120. That means always we have to select upper limit. Is that okay? Less than 120. Because we don't have data available less than 100 here in this interval. So may I write here less than 120, less than 140, 160, 180, and 200. I think it is clear for everyone. Clear for everyone? Less than in rupees. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. CF. Cumulative frequency, again you understand one thing. Less than 120. So less than 120, I think we have a frequency only 12. So less than 120, what should I write here? 12. Now the second column you see carefully 140. And what is the meaning less than 140? Less than 140 we are having 12 plus 14. Because this 12 is also coming less than 140 and 14 is again coming in less than 140. Okay. So what should I do here? It is 12 plus 14. Okay, that means the column which we make generally the CF column, cumulative frequency column, accordingly we are making. So 12 plus 14, it is 26. Less than 160, we are adding 12 plus 14 plus 8. So 26 plus 8, 34. Less than 180, we are adding all these four datas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 already we have added. 34 plus 6, it is 40. Less than 200, in which including everything. So 40 plus 10, it is 50. I hope it is clear. Because whenever we are writing here less than 160, that means these are in a frequency column, all these terms will be added. Because these are all coming under the less than 160. Is it okay? So one column is this less than type. Second is a CF for the less than. Okay. Now we are making a less than type ogive. Less than type ogive. Okay. Using ruler, pencil. Okay. It is X. Here's a Y. 0. On the x-axis, what should be taken? When we are making a less than type, so this less than column will be required here. Here we are not making a column of class interval. Always will have to make less than in less than type ho jaye. Okay. So I am writing here less than, and less than start from 120, 140, 160, 80. So this is 0. So 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Okay, because there's a gap between 120 to 140, only the 20 gap, but this is a huge gap, so you can put one kink over here. This is the kink symbol. That means we'll compress this interval. Okay, it's a kink. Less than. Second is frequency. So what is coming here? Here it is coming cumulative frequency, not plain frequency is coming here. It will be CF, cumulative frequency, CF. In cumulative frequency, I'm making a scale. Minimum number is 12, maximum is 50. So I think making a scale of 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Is it okay? And now making a graph. 120, 12. At 120, there's a 12. 120, 12. It is a 12. Okay, 1. Second, 140, 26. 140, 26. Between 20 to 30. Okay. Third one is 160, 34. At 160, 34 is coming here between 30 and 40. And 180, 40. 180, it is 40. 200, 50. This work will be done on the graph paper, then you will get the accuracy and you will get the proper ojai. Is it okay? These are the points. These points will be joined. They will not be joined by the scale. Now these points will be joined by the freehand. Okay, so that the curve will be seen like this. Okay, what is it? This is less than type ojai. Now what is the use of this less than type ojai? Use of the less than type ojai. Suppose you are going to find median without using formula and you are going to find the median. Then how to find out the median? I am talking about median, not mean or mode. For finding the median, in CF, the last term is 50. 50 divided by 2, n by 2. You remember the formula, n by 2 minus CF. 50 divided by 2, it is coming 25. So you will see 25 here on the y-axis. This is the 25. Through this point, you have to draw a line parallel to x-axis. Okay, you are going to draw the line parallel to x-axis. This is the line. And this line will intersect to the curve at which point? Through this point, if you draw one perpendicular. And where the perpendicular is intersecting here, that is called median. So it is coming between 140 to 160. This is 150. So the median is, I think, 145 something. Okay. So this is the use when you are getting less than type हो जाए or more than type हो जाए, you can find out the median without using a median formula. Is it okay? So that is one. Okay. In extension, in the same question, they are asking that find out the more than type हो जाए. Then by the way, it is not a part of question, but I am solving it. Let us see. Suppose you are going to find the more than type हो जाए in the same question, then how to find out? Okay. These two columns already there. Two columns are there. Two columns are given, and we are going to find the more than type हो जाए. What to find out? More than type. Okay. More than type हो जाएगा. What we are finding? More than type हो जाएगा. Okay. In the same data, this is class interval, it is average. If I'll write here more than, what to write here? More than. More than. Now again you can use your common sense. More than between 100 and 120. Here if I want to write here more than, so what should I write here? 100 or 120? Because we don't have any data available here more than 120 in this class interval. So more than, what should I write here? 100. More than 100, that lower limit. More than 120, 140, 160 and 180. Is it okay? Cumulative frequency, CF. What is cumulative frequency here in this more than type? Now you understand one thing. More than 100. More than 100, you can see that in the frequency, I think every number which is coming in more than 100. Isn't it? See, more than 100, 12, 14, 8, 6, 10, everything. So more than 100, what should I write here? Everything till here to here. So we are going to add them. The total sum is 50. So more than 100, what should I write here? 50. Got it? With more than 100, you see 100 to 120, 120, 140 up to 200. And I think we are not seeing anything which is less than 100, more than 100, everything. These all terms are coming in a category of more than 100. Okay. So more than 100, what should I write here? 50. More than 120. When we are talking about more than 120, what does it mean? This number should be excluded and some of these terms is coming more than 120. See, 120, 14, 8, 6 and that. Okay. So what should I write here? More than 120. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 8, 28. And it is 38. More than 140. More than 140. 8, 6 and 10. 8, 6, 14, 10. 24. More than 160. 6 and 10. 16. And more than 180. That is 10. Okay. So here the CF is opposite. Like see, this 10 is coming here. Like generally in CF, what we have to do? 12, 12 plus 14, 14 plus 8, 8 plus 6, 6 plus 10 and this. But here what happens? From the downside. 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 14, 38 and 38 plus 12, 50. Okay. Because it is given that it's a more than 100. All frequency columns, all frequency numbers are coming. More than 120, from here to here, the sum of all is coming. More than 140, sum of these three. More than 160, sum of 2, and more than 180, it is 10. Okay. If we are going to represent this less than, more than type हो जाए, in the same, then what should I do? This is as it is. I am making here more than type. So more than type, for more than type, what happened? It is 100. Here's a 100, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. It's okay. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. At 100, what is this? At 100, it is 50. 120, 38. 140, 24. 160, 16. And 180, it is 10. And when we are going to join it again by free hand, and you can see that the point where both ogives are intersecting, one is this more than type and this is less than type. This is the point. Through this point, if you are going to draw one perpendicular, it is a median. Okay. So with the help of more than type and less than type ogive, if you want to find the median, the point where both the ogives are intersecting, you have to draw perpendicular on the x-axis where it is intersecting. This point is a median point. That means the value of median. Okay. So this is less than type and more than type ogive. So this is the extended part of question number 1, which I told you, because less than type, more than type, you should know that all types of ogives. After that, question number 2. During the medical checkup of the 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows: less than 38, less than 40, and this. Draw the less than type ogive. Given data, hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Okay. See, this is question number 2. Weight, it's a different type of column. Weight in kg. It is less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50. Okay, and less than 52. Less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, and number of students. Number of students. 0, 3, 5, 9, 14. 0, 3, 5, 9, 14. 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Okay. Draw the less than type ogive. Draw less than type ogive. Okay. We are going to draw the less than type ogive. Nothing we have to do. This is a less than column. It is a CF. How can you say it is CF? I am telling you. And verify the result by using the formula of median. Obtain the median, also verify the result. Okay. I'll tell you that why I have taken this question for you. Because this type of question was given in the previous exercise also. Less than, column was given as a less than or less than 38, less than 40, like that. How to convert in a class interval? This is a procedure which you have to understand here. Okay. See, look at this: less than 38, 0, less than 43, less than 42, 5, less than 44, 9. This, which column is this? Generally, we use the term as a second column frequency, but this second column is not frequency, it is cumulative frequency. Whenever the column is coming in the form of less than or more than, second column is always treated as a cumulative frequency. Okay. Frequency column is only that column which is coming in front of class interval. Is that okay? You can understand this also. Suppose it is given that less than 40, that means less than 38, less than 40, everything included in it. Less than 46, so less than 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, everything included in it. Okay. So this is less than or more than type column is given. That means second column is always CF. You mind it? Right? Second column is always CF column. First part of the question is given that draw less than type ogive. Simply we can draw less than type ogive. Nothing special in it. Because two columns which are required, we have these two columns. X, it is Y, 0, less than 38. So it is 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50 and 52. Okay. On the y-axis starting from 0, maximum is 35. I am taking a scale of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Okay. This is less than type. And this is what? CF. Okay. Less than 38, 0. At 38, this is 0. Second, at 43, this is 3. At 42, 5. At 44, 9. At 46, 14. 48, 28. 50, 32. And 52, that is 35. Okay. We are joining it by free hand. Okay. This is cumulative frequency less than type. Suppose we are going to find the median, then 35, n is a 35 upon 2, 17.5. Okay. N upon 2, 17.5. Where's the 17.15 and 20? It is 17.5. You will draw one line. And you know that where this line is intersecting, you have to draw one perpendicular. What is it? 47 something. It is median. Okay. In the question, they are saying that using a formula and verify this result using formula. When we are using the formula, so we need class interval, CF, everything is required and frequency is required. I think only the less than is not required. So now I am making a class interval. So with the help of less than type or more than type, if you need a class interval, how to create class interval column? CI. Class interval, CI. How to make class interval column? Okay. We understand first the nature of this more than less than type. You can see at 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 and so on. That means what is the difference between them? Difference of every interval is 40 minus 38, 2, 42 minus 40 is 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So what is the difference? Difference is 2. Okay. That means we are making a size of class interval is 2. Right. Starting from, where from should I start? Less than 38. Less than 38, that means we will not start from 38. Some terms are given less than also. And because the size of class interval is 2, so what is the 2 less than 38? It's 36. So may I write here 36 to 38? Less than 40, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50 and 50 to 52. This is the creation of class interval with the help of less than type or more than type. If it is given that, suppose it is given that more than 38, so we have to write here 38 to 40. Okay, less than 38 and 36 to 38. By the way, it is 0 to 38 also we can write because the class intervals are same. Therefore, I have written 36 to 38. Okay, that is one class interval. Second one is frequency is required. What is required? Frequency. Fi. For frequency, between 36 to 38, less than 38, 0. So between 36 to 38, 0. Is it okay? Between 38 to 40, 3 minus 0, that is 3. Okay. Between 40 to 42, between 40 to 42, because total up to here there are 5. So from the 5, how many we have to subtract? 0 plus 3. So 5 minus 3, it is coming 2. Between 42 to 44, up to 42 there are 5, and from 42 onward it is 9. So 9 minus 5, it is 4. Between 44 to 46, 14 minus 9, 5. Between 46 to 48, 28 minus 14, it is 14. And between 48 to 50, 32 minus 28, 4. And finally between 50 to 52, 35 minus 32, that is 3. Okay. If you want to cross check that whether your frequency column is correct or not, simplest way, see, this you treat as a frequency, this is CF. 0, after that 0 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 3, 35. This is F, it is here, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, like that. Okay. So this created as a frequency column, class interval. Everything we got it. After that, because we are using this formula, median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is a formula for median. What is the value of n? Already we have got it 35. Its sum is also 35. There's no doubt, you can check it. 3, 2, 5, 4, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14, 18, 22, 25. It is 3, 2, 3, 35. Okay. So n is equal to 35. N by 2 is equal to 17.5. Now let us see 17.5 in CF. 17.5 in CF. We are going to find out just bigger number than 17.5. So just bigger number than 17.5 is 28. Okay. This is the number. In front of that number, what is it? It is F. In front of this class interval, what is this? This is median class. And in the CF column, the preceding number of 28 is CF. Okay. By the way, columns are, generally we make column Fi here and CF is here. Here the columns are in a opposite form. So there's no problem at all. Median is equal to L. Lower median class, that is 46, plus n by 2, 17.5, minus CF, 14. And you remember one thing, always this n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 is greater than CF. Okay. If there's any confusion in your mind, sometimes you can pick suppose 28. So immediately you can ignore it because this 28 is more than 17.5. So that there's no chances of making error. 17.5 minus 14 upon F. Frequency is in a frequency column, that is 14, and H, class width 2. Okay, 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, it is 3.5. 3.5 upon 14 into 2 7 ja 7 5 ja 0.5. So 46 plus 0.5, 46.5. Okay, and here you can see that this 46.5. So whenever you will use a proper graph paper, scale and pencil, you will see that this line is intersecting at point 46.5. That means just a little bit from here. Okay, so this is the verification of this graph. With the help of this graph, you can find the median, and you verified it with the help of formula. Okay, so that is less than type ho jaye, more than type ho jaye, everything is there. One question is given. The following table gives the production yields per hectare of a wheat of 100 farms of village. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and try it. This is also the same type of question. By the way, now you have understood the concept of this type of questions. Taking question number 3. In question number 3, one column given, class interval is given, okay, Ci, and when Ci is given, that means this column is always frequency. Ci 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. CF, frequency, number of forms 2, 8, 12, 2, 8, 12, 24, 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Okay. What we have to do in it? Change the distribution of more than type. More than type distribution. Okay. And draw and try it so जाएगा. Okay. Draw it so जाएगा. More than type. One column is more than. In more than, what should I write here? Again, the common sense will be used here between 50 to 55. If you want to choose here, so which number should be taken here? More than 50, because more than 55, nothing is here. More than 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and 75. Next column is CF. And how to make a cumulative frequency here? See, more than 50. And in more than 50, I think everything is included from here to here. So you are going to add it 10, 12, 8 to 10, 12, 4, 16, 16, 8, 24, 6, 30. I am adding here 33, 4, 7, 9, 10, 100. Okay. So more than 50, I'll write here 100. More than 55, adding from here to here everything. So that means 100 minus 2, it is 88. More than 60, these two, this 8 and 2 will be subtracted. Addition of these three, 8, 6, 14, 18, 20, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Okay. 4 to 6, 12, 8, 20, 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 9. Okay. More than 65, going to add these three. 8, 4, 12, 12, 6, 18, 1, 3, 6, 7. Okay. More than 70, adding these three. 8, 6, 14, 1, 3, 4, 1, 5. And more than 75, it is 60. Okay. By the way, without confusion, the simplest way I told you, simply more than 50, you are going to add everything. More than 55, adding here to here everything. More than 60, adding these columns. Okay. The simplest way. Now you can check your solution. You can check this cumulative frequency column whether it is true or not true. The procedure starting from here. Because it is more than type column we have made. So 16 plus 38. 8, 6, 14, 3, 4, 1, 5. 54 plus 24. 78. 78 plus 12, 90. 90 plus 8, 90. 90 plus 8, it is 98. It is 98. And 98 plus 2, that is 100. Okay. So whenever, if you, after cross checking, you can understand where you have made mistake, you can check it. Okay. So it is this is 100. 100 minus 2, it is 98. 98 minus 8 it is 90, 91 is 12, 78, 78 minus 24, 21 is 60. Okay, so this is CF column. Now making an ogive. More than type, 50, 55. So from here it is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay, on the y-axis always taking CF, minimum 16, maximum 100. I am taking 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and it is 100. Okay, more than type, and it is CF. Okay, 50, at 50 it is 100 maximum. After that 55, 98, it is here. 55 after 60, 90, 65, 65, 78, 70, 70, 54, 70, 50, 54, 75, 16. Okay, by free hand you can join it. Okay, if you want to find out the median, what should be done? 100 divided by 250. Through the 50 you can draw one line here, draw one line. You will get immediately median of it. Okay, that's all. So this is the end of the chapter. This is the end of the book. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.